near me again, I will kick you in the balls. I mean it. I mean it.
I know, he just did that to me.
Look, this is how.
Do not
Get it,
She got me last night.
Get it, girl.
Nipple and it hurt like a motherfucker, and I was not happy.
Hey!
Ian, you just got hit. Yeah.
No!
Big fucking bruise! Stop!
We're not 20 years old, you know. Well, that hurt last night. He got me.
Don't touch me, bitch.
Look, this is how hard it hits.
The fuck away from me.
It's not a matter. I'm afraid.
Taking my beer.
You.
This is what Alicia and Claire don't get about our family. We fight with each other. We get physical. They don't get physical.
Don't do that shit again.
That really hurts.
I know, but let me show you how hard.
Why? I don't.
Just because how sensitive that skin is right there. That's
I realize that!
Right. So it hurts like a son of a
do
bitch.
for a living!
Does that make it fucking funny to do?
What's wrong with you?
Oh, now it's my fault. Now
You're
I.
just becoming like so serious and asshole.
No, Ian, but you're not understanding.
It hurts!
You keep thinking it's funny and hilarious.
It's not funny. Not
You guys
funny.
freaking out is what's funny.
I know.